Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and today I thought we would look at some of the features that maybe a lot of you don't know that are available, especially to the latest versions of Windows 10. So if you're on 1909, this is not available, but if you're on later versions of Windows 10, these are things that might happen, that might be here, especially on the October and the version 2004 and the October 2020 updates. It's a feature that was introduced a while back, but it was buggy, didn't work really well. Now it actually is really working well. And it's the ability to actually copy easily text or images across Windows 10 computers on the same network or the same account. And it's called when you copy something, it goes to the clipboard. So if I, for example, use screen snip and I do a little screen snip like this, what you will see is that the clipboard will actually have the copied, part of the image here from screen snip. It could be something you copy because you want to paste it from an application, text, for example. Well, one of the things that's cool with this is that you have the ability now to have everything synced between Windows 10 computers on the same account, on the same Microsoft account. And to do so, you need to go into your settings, because by default it's off. Go into System. On the left side, you'll see Clipboard. Here, make sure that Sync Across Devices is turned on. And this is going to enable you to actually sync clipboard items to not just another Windows 10 computer, but also even on your phone, as long as you're connected with the proper apps in the Microsoft account. So this is cool. And then you have the automatic syncing. Automatically sync text copy to the clipboard. It's synced to other devices. And you can also choose never automatically do it. So you might want to do it manually. But it's a cool way of sharing between computers easily by using Clipboard if you have more than one Windows 10 PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.